Most problems, if you give them enough time and space, will eventually wear themselves on its own. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give happiness, bad days give experience, worst days give lessons, and best days give memories. Optimism is a happiness magnet. If you stay positive, good things and good people will be drawn to you. Whatever happens, getting depressed is not a solution. Getting depressed would be one more problem. Be patient, none of your problems will remain unsolved. When you focus on problems, you get more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you have more opportunities. Do not allow negative thoughts to enter your mind, for they are the weeds that strangle confidence. Problems are hidden opportunities and constraints that can actually boost creativity. Most of the problems in life are because of two reasons: we act without thinking, or we keep thinking without acting. Life struggles are necessary for growth. Talking about our problem is our greatest addiction. Break the habit and talk about your joy. We do not develop courage by being happy every day. We develop it by surviving difficult times and challenging adversity. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. In the heart of every struggle lies an opportunity to grow. Don't wait for things to get easier, simpler, and better. Life will always be complicated. Learn to be happy right now, otherwise, you will run out of time. Solve the problem or leave the problem, but don't live with the problem. The biggest communication problem is that we do not listen to understand, we listen to reply. Never give up and be confident in what you do. There may be tough times, but the difficulties which you face will make you more determined to achieve your objectives and to win against all the odds. Nobody has a perfect life. Everybody has their own problems. Some people just know how to deal with it in a perfect way. Some days are better, some days are worse. Look for the blessings instead of the curse. Be positive, stay strong, and get enough rest. You can't do it all, but you can do your best. When surrounded by difficulties in life, keep low, speak less till the storm passes. Where there is problem, there is an opportunity to learn something new. If you don't like the road you are walking, start paving another one. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Sometimes the questions are complicated and the answers are simple. Be positive. Your mind is more powerful than you think. What is down in the well comes up in the bucket. Fill yourself with positive things. Always turn a negative situation into a positive situation. Our problems are not solved by physical force or by hatred or by war, but our problems are solved by love, kindness, gentleness, and joy. A lot of problems in the world will disappear if we talk to each other instead of talking about each other. Problems only get solved when you stop ignoring them. Every problem has a solution, you just have to be creative enough to find it. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them.